Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel Learn with Play. I am Sonika. Today I am going to share with you a special topic: how can we become fluent in English? So friends, please watch the video till the end. And after watching the video, please give me comments in the comment section. If you have any query, any question and any suggestion and any complaint for me, please write in the comment box. So let's start the video without any further delay. Friends, today I am sharing with you a very special topic about English speaking. How can we become fluent in English? How can we learn speaking in a short period? So many people says that we should read, write and think also in English. But friends, I want to tell you one thing, that reading, writing and learning, we all do since childhood these things: read, write and learn. But what things apart from these things is special for any work, any goal, any target? If you have any goal, any target in your life, so what things are special that we can follow and find our goal and target, we can get success? So I want to tell you that hard work, yes friends, hard work is that key by which we can achieve anything in this world. Without hard work we can't achieve a single penny. So friends, if you want to speak English, if you want to become fluent in English, so first of all you should be passionate for English speaking. That is very important. If we have passion about anything, if you have passion for anything, if you have passion, if you have any goal in your life, it means you have guts. If it means you have to, you are ready to pay any cost. So this is the very important things. If you want to become fluent English, or if you get any target, if you want to become, if you want to get success in your life, so first of things, that we should be passionate. Second thing is hard work. How hard work? What kinds of hard work? So I always says that practice of anything makes us perfect in that field. So practice makes a man perfect. If you want to become fluent English, so you should be passionate and you should practice all the day, daily, all time, in your mind, not in your only copy. Okay? And third thing is thinking. Thinking, what kinds of thinking? So I recommend you that every time, all day, you should to think about only English vocabs, English sentences. It means when you are working, even your kitchen, cooking, doing laundry, doing dishes, any work, household chores and work out of home, any work, what are you doing, whatever, you should think in English, the meaning of that thing, the meaning of that sentence. It put our mind on work. When we put our mind on work, our mind become very sharp, and when we start thinking, our mind gives us some question and some answer also. So it makes, it is very helpful for us. When you think in English everything, you find some new vocabs, new some words, new some sentences, and This is very helpful for your English language. Believe me friends, I also applies these tips and tricks of learning everything, not only in English but I say in everything. What I do want, I think about that thing all the day, and finally I get the solution of that problem. So when we put our mind on work, it is very helpful. 100% it gives the solution of this problem or that problem. So English is not a rocket science, but it is not a like piece of a cake. It is just a language. So please take it just a language. As since childhood we speak Hindi. We never learn Hindi, but we are able to speak Hindi because it is our mother tongue. We never do any hard work and any types of special work for speaking Hindi because it is language of India. It is mother tongue, and we should be proud that we are Indian. So English is priority is Hindi, but English is compulsion because nowadays in every field English is compulsory. So it is just a language. So friends, just take it English just as a language, and don't be panic. It is just a language. First of all, you should make small target of each day. I think that you should start from small words, small sentences and small phrases, and also grammar chapter, and try to practice all the day. What you have learned a day, you should practice all the day in your mind and in your copybook also. And when you have consistency, and when you do regularly is more important. When you do regular these things in your daily routine, you find that after few days, only after few days, your English is improving. You are able to speak better English earlier. So friends, only these some tips and tricks that if you follow in your life, you can 100% achieve anything in your life, not only English. English is just a language, friends, not a rocket science, not a very difficult things. Even in our India, our kids is able to speak English. Why? Because since childhood he listen English and he read English. So when you do regular these things, you read, you learn and you listen. Okay, then you are also will able to speak fluent English, speak a good English. You also can conversate with others in English. I think that I have told all important tips and tricks to all. So friends, now I want to thank you all for watching this video, and if you like my recommendation, my advice, my words, so please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and friend also write comments. So friends, now see you tomorrow. Bye bye.